Pros and cons of living in Milwaukee and finding out if this city is secretly the best kept secret in the nation. It is a place where industrial heritage meets stunning lakefront views and a surprisingly vibrant culture. I discovered a specific economic factor that completely changed my view on moving here for long-term gain. Walking down the Third Ward, I really felt that blend of historic brick buildings and modern energy. Housing costs here are significantly lower than national averages, often hovering near 30% less. This affordability helps drive a higher happiness index, allowing residents to save more for their future. I stood on the lakefront during a winter sunset and honestly struggled to fathom the cold weather reality. While the winters are notoriously harsh, the vibrant summer festivals bring the entire community together. Traffic is relatively manageable compared to larger urban centers, making your daily commute stress-free. Future growth seems promising as the city invests in downtown revitalization and tech sector expansion. Access to world-class healthcare and reputable education systems adds immense value to local families. Imagine looking for an apartment downtown, budgeting for groceries, and navigating the public transit. You could rent a spacious unit for $1,500, which might cost double in a coastal city. Safety remains a complex topic, requiring you to research specific neighborhoods before you decide. The local people are genuinely friendly, maintaining that classic midwestern charm in every interaction. Sometimes I sit and think about the rapid development here, wondering if I should invest early myself. Remember that economic factor I teased earlier, and it is the low barrier to entry for starting a business. My own experience at a local coffee shop showed me how easy it is to network with diverse professionals. Statistics show that median household incomes have been steadily climbing over the past 3 years now. To start your move, spend one weekend exploring the east side to feel the neighborhood vibe personally. And check the latest local crime maps online to understand which areas align with your personal comfort zone. Visit a real estate website to compare the average rent prices against your monthly income goals today. Choosing a home is a deep decision that goes beyond just looking at the surface level statistics alone. We have covered the major pillars, but your personal experience will ultimately dictate your happiness. Perhaps the best way to understand Milwaukee is to simply walk the streets and listen to the city hum.